Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more function or method of Python, which is divmod. So divmod is a mathematical function which will take two argument. Okay, so here you can see that for the first scenario, I am providing two argument. First is 10 and second is 3, and it will perform a division on it. Okay, and as a result, it will provide a tuple which will hold the quotient value as well as the remainder value. Okay. So to explain this, I have noted down four scenarios here. So one by one, we will discuss each scenario and see the output as well. So for the first scenario, you can see that I'm using div mod on the value 10 and 3. So what it will do, it will divide it, it will perform the division, and whatever the output we got, we are storing it inside a result variable, and then we are printing the result variable. So let's see what output we are getting from result variable. So for that I will run my terminal. I'll drag it up. Here it is. Okay, so now what we will do, we will run the command python space session 53.py, and if I hit enter, you can see it is returning the output as 3 and 1 for the first scenario. Okay, now look at the second scenario. If you would like to pass any negative argument, you can pass it here. So you can see we are passing minus 10 and 3, and when we are performing this operation, it is returning the value as minus 4 and 2. Similarly, you can provide the decimal value as well in an argument. So here I'm passing 10.5 and 3, so the resultant value or the output is 3 3.0 and 1.5. Okay, likewise, if you would like to go with some longer digit, then you can go here. I'm passing the value like this and this, so the output we are getting is 12500 and 6789. Okay, so this is just a mathematical function. Whenever there is a requirement where you want to hold the output as a remainder and quotient of the given arguments, then you can use this div mod method. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.